Ladies and gentlemen, people of the jury, I would like to introduce you to what's in my let us begin. On the right hand side, I don't even know what these are. They're prebiotic soda. I don't know who buys that, but London likes it a lot. Up here we got some orange juice, some good stuff up here. This third aisle here we got some nice little fruit, you know, apples. What is it? Grapes. More grapes. Grapes down here. This is a naan bread. Pretty good. Oranges. Bars. Protein bars. Blueberries. Look at my hands dirty. And we got a potato right here. Alright, let's go to the next side. Wow. Dog food. Don't know why that's up here. Most of this first aisle is dog food. The second aisle, eggs. I don't even know what that stuff is. Third aisle, we get to some vegetables. Yeah. And then some Chick-fil-A sauce, some leftover Chick-fil-A sauce for Monet, because she likes Chick-fil-A. Monet?
What's your favorite thing that you have in the fridge?
My hot sauce. And then there's some straws here, which is really nice, because I like straws. And it feels really good drinking with the straw. Some jerky cuts, I like to get my hands dirty with those. Some dog food, but they're really good. It's like beef jerky, it's really good. Here.
Ooh, you eat it?
I don't eat it. Yeah, I do, but I don't like to tell people I do. Ew, what the heck? Well, that's musty. You're
so cute.
I don't know why I'm looking at the fridge again, but this is what's in my fridge. That's it. This is what's in my fridge. I want to know what's in your fridge. So, when you guys see this, I want to see some stuff in my tag photos of you showing me your fridge. They're gonna be fridge twins. Yeah. Come on. Let's get it. I love you guys. Yeah. I'll see you guys later. But what I want you guys to take away from this is that none of this is my stuff.